The other compound that we've had a lot of success with is for topical wound cares. A shout out to the Humane Society. We've gotten some really nice press from Sue in their newsletter. We had some cats and dogs that had some injuries that were rescued or surrendered to the Humane Society. We provided the medication, customized it with the vets that were treating them, identifying some needs, putting those medications into a lotion bottle like this. You can see how this moves because it's cold. That is then applied to the wound. It flows into the crevices and then it sets up. Sometimes we're covering it, sometimes we aren't. I'm going to demonstrate how this gel works. Again, it's thermoreversible. When it's cold, it's liquid. As it warms up, it's become solid. So I'm going to put some in this weigh boat and move it around and you'll see how it sets up. See how it's moving? Now we have a solid gel. So what we're doing in wounds is we're cleaning the wound and then we're applying the gel. I'm going to do a demonstration on the back of my hand. Sometimes these wounds have crevices and there's areas that we can't get medication to. Because it's a liquid, it flows down in there. And then again, if we hold that wound area still for a while, it's going to set up to a solid gel. I'm going to use the back of my hand as an example of it being, say, a foot that's been injured. I'm going to put some gel on the back and you can see what I'm talking about. Now, I don't have a lot of crevices, but it's just a great demonstration. See how nice that gel sets on there? And if we give that a little bit of time, it'll flow down in there, but you give that a little bit of time and suddenly it's not flowing. It's setting up solid. The stuff is just magic. And again, it stays in place and you don't really have to clean it out. A lot of times with wounds, the medication does its job and then we're cleaning it and we're taking away some of the regrowth. This will resorb itself. A little bit of saline or some water to maybe just flush it, and then we come back with another treatment. And again, we've seen, I've lectured nationally at vet meetings about some of the wounds that we've treated with graphic photos of the success that we've had. It's one of my favorite products. It's called a Poloxamer thermoreversible gel embedded with medication so that we can help these animals heal.